Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Dominion box break number 103. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. Serial number box is NE189 819 945. That's NE189 819 945. Let's get on with the break. We start out with the decoy. We have a base card for the Red Wings of Gordie Howe, 26 out of 199. We have an auto rookie card for the Hurricanes of Riley Nash, 83 out of 199. We have a patch auto rookie for the Coyotes of David Rumblad, 95 out of 199. Card goes to Phoenix. We have an autograph rookie patches gold, card number 136 of Marcus Kruger. The card goes to the Blackhawks. Nice hit for Chicago. We have a Crazy Eights card. We'll do that one last. The booklet. We have a jersey card of Louis LeBlanc for the Canadiens, 15 out of 100. We have a short print gold base card for the Blackhawks of Bobby Hall, 22 to 25. And then the decoy. Well, here's the Crazy Eights booklet, 19 out of 25. So here we go. The Crazy Eights booklets of Mark Messier, Daniel Sedin, Patrick Waugh, Kimmo Timonen, Sergei Gonchar, Mario Lemieux, Ray Bourque, and Eric Lindros. Those will be randomized between the Rangers, the Canucks, the Canadiens, the Flyers, the Senators, the Penguins, the Bruins, and the Flyers again. So let me just get the random set up 1 second. So here we go. We got the Rangers, the Canucks, the Canadiens, the Flyers, the Senators, the Penguins, the Bruins, and the Flyers again. So whoever ends up on top after the third random gets this awesome card. Here we go. 1, 2, and the final time 3. So that card goes to Boston. So congrats to Boston. You get the Crazy Eights card. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.